Yo guys, what's up? Ticket M3 here, and as you can see today, I'm not holding the camera. I have hired a filmer for 1 penny per video. He's gonna be big ballin' after this. You ready for your 1 penny after this video?
Nope, I'm gonna end this video shortly.
Oh, that's not good. But anyway, we got my mom's 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT right here, and we're gonna straight pipe it. She's not home, she doesn't know about this, she's not gonna be happy about this. So let's start it up, let you guys hear it before we take the exhaust and just open it up, let her rip, and see what it sounds like beforehand, and then I'll show you guys what it sounds like afterwards, and I'll show you her reaction tomorrow, which is probably gonna be her really mad. So as you can see, this sounds like a purring cat. This is terrible, it's so quiet. You can actually hear me talking over the exhaust. This is not acceptable.
No.
Let's straight pipe. I think my ROM is louder than this.
Facts. Actually, I think
It literally is louder than this, and we cannot have this.
The B. Working hard or hardly working?
What?
Nothing. Make sure you're doing good under there.
So I hope you guys can see under here, but there's 2 bolts right here and right there. You just have to take those off. They have a little spring, and you have to do it on the other side too. And that's pretty much all it is, this exhaust. I wish it was this easy on my M3. You have to like spin bolts around and reach up there. It is terrible. This is so much better. And we're gonna have to do this again at some point. Aren't we, Hollis?
About that, yeah. About $6 or 6 cents.
6 cents.
It's gonna add up enough to buy another one. So man, we're working hard.
Well, I am working super hard.
So hard. Wow.
Just do that, you think fine?
Yeah, because that's enough space on this. Fit all that air.
I can't get a grip on it. Oh, it's hot. Oh, shit.
It's toasty.
Oh. That literally took us 15 minutes. If that. Oh, my hands are dirty.
That wasn't 15. That was maybe a solid like 2. Ow.
That sounds so good.
It does.
That doesn't sound good.
No. That's custom.
That sounds, tell me that doesn't sound good.
It sounds like a real car. Just a little bit. She purrs.
She's definitely gonna notice this.
I think she would. A cold start?
It's gonna be cold. It is not cold.
See, I had those chilling, but just the cold start she'll notice.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
It's a little raspy, but it sounds so good.
Yeah,
How does it sound when I fly by?
it sounds like a proper SRT.
That is exactly what it should sound like.
Yes, sir.
Alright, good morning everybody. It is now the next day. The car is fully cold. It's been off for like over 12 hours. So I wanted to try to start it right now and just see what it sounds like fully cold. And then I'm just going to turn it off pretty quick. And then this will give us a good idea of what it's going to sound like when she actually first hears it, which I'm assuming is going to be pretty loud. So let's start it. I'm just gonna start it from the outside then. Straight pipe.
John, no! It's gotta go to the dealership for work. John, not funny.
You don't like it?
No! Shut off.
I think it's pretty nice.
John, what did you do?
I told you it's straight pipe now.
How am I gonna pass inspection?
It's still passed. It has cats. Oh my god.
What did you do?
No, I just unhooked the exhaust from the headers and everything like that.
What does that do to it?
It just makes it really loud. What, you don't like it?
No, shut that thing off.
I think we've got to make this permanent.
No.
Alright, so as you guys can see, she was not a fan of the straight pipes. I kind of figured she wasn't gonna really like it, but if this video does really good, I will straight pipe it for real, and she's gonna really, honestly, then she's gonna freak out and get really pissed off, so it'll be pretty funny. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know and I'll try to make more of them. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.